Hey, this is John the Super Taster. Today I'm trying the Walmart exclusive, actually, Hawaiian Punch and Dr. Pepper flavored cupcakes. So they're tiny, and this is what they look like. They're a little bit melted because I live in Texas, so everything's a little melted in the summer all the time. Here we go. Really sweet and really good. Yeah, definitely good. Tastes like it should. Maybe a little bit more sweet than the actual drink, but the frosting is really good. Wow, this one smells and tastes even sweeter. So really, really sweet. But Hawaiian Punch is really sweet too. I think they're both well made. I'm not into super sweet like some people are, but I will eat these. They're definitely good. They're well made. I think they did a good job with these. Definitely worth trying.